Breakfast is traditionally the most important meal of the day. Conflicting studies about that, some showing the benefits of intermittent fasting and maybe eating a little bit later in the morning. We have started doing that. We're actually enjoying it quite a lot. But how do you make sure that first meal is something that bridges the gap between breakfast and lunch and helps you feel satisfied? We have been doing toast a lot, just different kinds. And so I'm going to show you 3 of our favorites. I'm going to make them with just regular bread, even though most of you know that my wife and a couple of my daughters, they don't eat gluten. We use this for them. This is not sponsored. This is just a keto bread, grain-free. Really, really great for toast. But that's our situation, so I'm going to show it to you with regular bread, and it's all delicious. Let's get going. That simple. 3 options to try. They are so good. Lots of texture, flavor. This one's a little bit spicy. The pink peppercorns, people kind of shy away from those. Those are a berry. They're actually sweet and they taste like pepper. without the spice. So they're really, really good in this application. Give it all a try. Link to the full recipes and combinations that I use in the description of this video. Let us know how you like it. Make it for somebody that you care about.